Okay, Abhijit, how are you?
Yes, sir, I'm good. How are you, sir?
I'm good. So, first of all, introduce yourself, give your short introduction.
Okay, sir. Sir, my name is Abhijit Singh, and I have done my BTech from NSIT Delhi in the field of electronics and communication. And sir, in 2016, I qualified IBPS exam, clerk exam, and I am working in a Canara Bank since 2016 in Malvi Nagar, New Delhi.
Okay. So, why you want to join IBS? You are a already banking personnel.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, the job profile it has attracted me a lot. Sir, in IB, I will get a better salary and better job opportunities, and the promotion aspects are also good in IB as compared
Okay.
to the bank.
Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir.
इसके साथ ही साथ फ्रेंड्स आप इस बुक को ले सकते हो जो आप सभी के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगी स्पेशली इंटरव्यू के लिए आपकी। इसमें आपको 100+ इंटरव्यू से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल जाएंगे जिनको आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, जो कि आपके एग्जाम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पूछे जाने के चांसेस है। आपके इंटरव्यू में मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं। ऐसे सारे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आपको एक सीरीज मिल जाएगी क्वेश्चन की। साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे आपको करेंट और सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स भी मिलेंगे इसी बुक में। आपको अलग से कुछ प्रिपेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं है। सारे जितने भी रिसेंट करेंट एंड सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड इश्यूज है वो सारे के सारे इस बुक में कवर किए गए हैं। साथ ही साथ जो है आपको ये लोएस्ट कॉस्ट में आपको ये बुक मिल जाएगी। एडिशनल आपको 30% डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा। तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दोस्तों लिंक दिया गया है, वहां से जाके आप इस बुक को ले सकते हो और अपनी प्रिपरेशन को और बेहतर तरीके से कर सकते हो। राइट फ्रेंड्स?
So, why didn't you go for PO? Why didn't you go for PO or other higher post for the same category or in the bank?
Sir, as for now, I'm not eligible to appear for the PO exam in IBPS for the interdepartmental test.
Okay. So, is it your what do you think? You are you not able to qualify that exam, or what are the why you didn't go for a PO? That's the question.
Sir, banking is the public sector organization, and sir, I always wanted to join the ministry or the ministerial job, sir, and that's why I was always attracted toward the central government job. So that's why
Okay.
I
Okay.
choose to
That's
go
good.
IBM and all these exams.
Okay, that's nice. So now tell me your some of your positive and negative strengths.
Sir, first of all, the positive strength. Sir, actually, sir, my father is in BSF, so I have done my schooling from the various school across the country, like in Punjab, West Bengal, and in Jharkhand. So, sir, I am good in making friends, and I know how to talk to from anyone across the country. And so, sir, sir, my weakness, sir, I don't see there is any. If if there is anyone, I will definitely work.
Okay, means you are not aware of your improvement areas where you need to improve
No,
yourself.
I don't see.
Okay, no problem. So what do you think? What you have learned from your existing job that will assist you in IB?
Sir, first of all, the cyber security and the money laundering and the black money. These three terms I have studied quite well in my banking because in today's world, these matlab, from day to day, I face almost 100 customers facing the same problem that the money has been deducted from my bank account. So bank has taught me a lot of things to tackle all these things.
Okay. So what are the guidelines of the RBI with respect to banking frauds in India?
Sir, RBI has a guideline. Suppose if there is a transaction of more than 3 lakhs in the form of cash, then the bank will issue a CTR, that is cash transaction report, to the financial intelligence unit and as well as to the RBI. And then the financial intelligence unit will study the case and will again hand over to the state police or the CBI. If there is a fraud of less than 1 crore, then the state police or the local CID will take the charge. Or if the concerned fraud is more than 1 crore, then the CBI will take the charge.
Okay. So are you aware of what are the major functions of RBI in India?
Yes, sir. RBI, sir, first of all, RBI makes the monetary policy for all the banks and for the rest of the country, and it and so the parameters and it uses are repo rate, reverse repo rate, statutory liquidity ratio, cash reserve ratio, and sir, it maintains the inflation and deflation rate for India.
Okay. So what do you think, what are the types of inflation in India at present time?
Sir, the types of inflation, it is, sir, the growth is approx 5% at this moment, and it is regarding as a creeping inflation. That is, the rate is almost slow. It is not
Okay.
very fast.
Do you know about the critical infrastructure?
Critical, sir, I'm not over it.
Okay. Do you know what is the present situation with respect to Jammu and Kashmir in India, or what are the issues arising there at present time?
Sir, in Jammu and Kashmir, after 5 August 2019, when Article 370 was revoked, the condition is pretty stable, but still there are few groups who are arising from day to day, and some minor attacks are still going in the valley. So these are the few incidents that are.
Okay. What do you think? What are your key strengths that will make you an asset in IB?
Sir, my key strength is I am open to talk to anyone, and I can make friends very easily, and I can do whatever the task has been given to me in the given time.